Hello everyone, now we will learn how to connect to Tradovate. You have to click over here, and it will take you to Tradovate. Just put your credentials here and log in, and your connection gets successful. One problem that may occur sometimes is, you are running a demo account, and you connect it to Tradovate. After 5 days, when your PickMyTrade account gets expired, you create another demo PickMyTrade account, and you are connecting the same Tradovate. So in this case, it does not allow you to do so, so if you want an extension, you can contact support for extending 2-3 days, or make payment and it will allow you. Another problem occurs when you have no active Tradovate account. You don't need to switch to live when trading on a prop firm or demo account. This is necessary when trading in a live Tradovate account. Once you are connected to Tradovate, this will show something like this. The next question that comes is, let's say you have 2 prop firms or 2 Tradovate logins, so you have to create 2 different PickMyTrade accounts because one Tradovate login is connected to one PickMyTrade account. The next question comes is, what to do if you only have one email account? So, in this case, let's say this is my email account, and I want to create another one. So just put a dot here and here. The new email address is ready with this combination. PickMyTrade will understand that these 2 are separate accounts, although in email this is a single account. But PickMyTrade allows you to create an account by doing this.